Welcome to my second video on how to create a trailhead account. You can create a trailhead account by clicking get started for free. So by this you're signing up to a trailhead account. Signing up to a trailhead account is purely free. You don't have to, it's not any paid version since trailhead is an open source as I mentioned in my previous streaming video. So here you have to first click on get started for free, or you can even click on sign up. So both are the same. So let me click on sign up. So one thing is mandatory, that you should have a Gmail account so that you can link the same to your trailhead. So having a Gmail account is really good, so that if you log into through LinkedIn or your Salesforce, you need to have a Gmail account, right? A primary account. So please link to a Gmail account, and then once you select Google, it will navigate to a page where you can click on select your account which you want to associate it with Trailhead account, and then you can start learning. Thank you.